kaunti ma Bungoma ojiwo bad migawo mar pur ma kaunti no mondo ne ni dongruoge pur okonyo jopur manie gwengego. Kanolose apis bad migawo mar pur e kaunti no e chaka yanga ma dongruok mochan mar konyo jopur miyogi hola mabiro konyogi e riwruoge mopogore opogore magitimo. Jatend migawo mar pur e kaunti no Herbert Kibunguchi oyango ni hola ni ibiro mi mana jopur manie riwruoge kendo okwayo jopur mondo chak donje riwruoge mag saga.
200 million, let us do a lot of civic education so that our people can understand the functions that are devolved, and it will be better if other counties came to Bungoma to benchmark on issues and functions that are devolved.
Nakumbuka Narik last time wakulima waletewa hash avocado December kama kuna jua. Do you expect those avocados to survive? So I want to appeal, Madam Director, and in charge of this program, that this program should be categorized as per the projects.
Mtu atatoaje mashamba yake alafu apande avocado. Estimate ya avocado income about $1 million per acre after 5 years. So tujipange, this program will help us. Kutakuwa na watu wanakuja wanazungumza na nyinyi, wanamsaidia how to develop the avocado.
Kazi kwetu sisi kama wakulima, watu wa sako na washikadau wengine, sisi lazima tuweke bidii tuhakikishe kwamba mradi huu unafanikiwa.
We have 140 of them ambao walikuwa in original marriage wards, but we are bringing on board another 5 from each ward.